Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now, I made a video stating that Kwame Peprah might be on his way to Algeria, and if that happens, Kotoko will be looking for strikers to get, and reports are stating that Asante Kotoko have joined race for Kwame Peprah of King Faisal. He scored, I think, 8 goals or 9 goals in the Ghana Premier League this season, and is one of the top strikers in the country currently, and is playing for King Faisal. The owner of King Faisal was adamant to comment if the club will sell him. He said that if he leaves, they might get relegated, so he's one of the most important players in the league right now, so they wouldn't be looking to sell him. But if Kotoko offers some money, they can't refuse. Definitely they are going to sell him. So Kotoko are in for Kwame Peprah of King Faisal. So if Kwame Peprah is truly leaving, because me personally, I was expecting Kotoko to buy that guy and partner him with Kwame Peprah up front, I think our attack would have been unstoppable, because if we had Kwame Peprah and Kwame Peprah up front, it would be extremely brilliant. And as I say brilliant, I mean extremely brilliant, because we're going to cause defenders problems. We are going to score a lot of goals. We are going to achieve our goals if we had those two players up front, because Naby Keita has not proved that he's a player that can partner with Kwame Peprah in the Ghana Premier League to help us achieve our goals. But since Kwame Peprah is leaving, it means that Kwame Peprah might be the player Kotoko will be chasing to replace him in the Asante Kotoko squad. I think there are other targets probably looking outside the country and all that, but locally Kotoko are looking at King Faisal's Kwame Peprah. People might say Dwight Taylor of Carolina United is another player Kotoko should be looking at, but Carolina United won't sell that guy cheap. They will be calling a huge amount that will make you be disinterested or not interested or uninterested, whatever term you want to use to show how they will make you feel if you come to bid for that player. They will tell you that they're about to sell him outside the country, and they won't sell him to a local club. That is what they normally say to make every club lose interest in the player. So if Kotoko are truly going for Kwame Peprah, I think he's going to be a fairly good replacement for Kwame Peprah in the Asante Kotoko squad. So that is the update I came to give you guys. I would like to know your thoughts on the issue. Do you think Kwame Peprah would be perfect fit for Asante Kotoko if Kwame Peprah leaves the club? Put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, do that right now and hit notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.